300 gram I demand.
The meat is so fatty, so 300 might be too much.
It's fine.
That's a big steak.
Isn't this so beautiful?
Very pretty.
Wow. What is this, Jay?
This is salt in the steak, so we get no moisture. Don't need much. Don't need all. Okay.
What sauce will you make?
Pepper.
Doing what?
Pepper. Beef stock. That's it.
Salt?
Yeah. Use some mustard. Tarragon.
Is it purple or it's my camera?
With purple.
Why is it purple? This is our dining table and the chef is servicing me. Having.
Spanish. You wanna try? Tasty.
It's a perfect medium rare.
It's a bit too salty.
I'm happy. It's crunchy. Not a lot of flavor. But it's good to cut with all these flavors here. Like you can take a taste from the taste. I love you, baby.
Wow, it's all.
Thanks for the meal with the wine.